tiger is Spanish. Ibig sabihin, out for the 5 minutes of
Ay, okay.
okay? In this explosion, we have the tiger. This is the Tyron. So Tyron is the oldest, the what? Tiger here in the safari. But he is the most rated tiger here in the safari. So we can easily identify the male and female just look at the head, the physical attributes, okay? So kapag malaki yung head nila, those are the male. Kapag malitan po yung head, those are the female. Okay? Of course, male are more bigger than the female. Okay? So ito naman po yung this is the oldest tiger. Is George. George is already 18 years old, male tiger. Okay? But if you are going to convert it in human life,
Picture mo
George
lang
is
ako.
now 98 or 95 years
Ay,
old,
parang bata.
male tiger. Ito naman po si Krishna. So
Ah,
Krishna
wala.
is
Wala
already
na. Wala.
7 years
Hindi,
old,
umalis.
female tiger. And she is Cynthia. So Cynthia is already 5 years old, a female tiger. The tigers that we have here in Pacific Safari are crossbreeds between the Bengal and Siberian tigers. Okay? So Bengal tigers can be found in India, but the Siberian tigers can be found in Russia. So these tigers came from China. So sila po yung mga China. Let it go.